Guys, so excuse my hair for looking so crazy. I bought the wrong gel and now I have to go and find a gel. Anyway, I say all that to say that today we are heading out to volunteer for a Spring Summer Fashion Week event with LAN Production, LAN Production. I went and did some research in them. I saw that they did some work for New York Fashion Week 2 years ago when I started doing content creating, and I am happy that I got this opportunity. So I am down here in the vestibule because it's very early in the morning. I gotta be there before 10 o'clock, and for me to get there it's going to take about an hour. So I am just down here filming with my camera so that I can have some content to share with you guys. I don't have a fit check at the moment, but as soon as I get in front of a camera, I definitely will be doing a fit check for you. It's cold now, so as you can see, I'm wearing my scarf, I'm wearing my coat, and I am just all warmed up. So as soon as I have an opportunity when I get to the event, I'll definitely do a fit check for you and you'll see. Yeah, so I am gonna check back in with you guys. I'm not sure how much of the event I can catch, but whatever I can capture, I'll definitely be sharing it with you guys. So ciao ciao. Hi guys, so we're here at the LAN Fashion production for the fashion event today, and I am volunteering, as I would have shared in my earlier introduction, and I'm just going to show you guys around. The models are here just waiting, and the makeup artist is here, so everybody's just waiting around for the producer to come so we can start to know what is needed. Today we're going to the exhibition for the market. Bonjour.
Bonjour madame.
guys, so today we have two events that we're going to. There are two vintage markets in Paris, and I'll put the images of the different markets on the screen. It's a rainy day today, so today I'm just wearing these pieces that I had in my wardrobe from a long time. You've seen me style them before on IG, and I think maybe on YouTube as well. I am wearing my hair down because I don't feel like putting my hair up. Some nice frames, keep it cool and chic, you know, real vintage hippie look. And that is the look for today. Let me just put it down so you can see the full look. And of course, I'm wearing my boots because it's raining outside and I don't want to be walking in water. So yes, that is the look for today. Oh, by the way, today is the 1st of November, so happy Independence Day, Antigua and Barbuda. So yeah, no jewelry, just my regular chain, and that's it. I'll see you guys later. Bye. So today is the 21st of November, and today I have a couple of things that I did, because now it is actually, what time is it? It's 5 p.m. in the evening, but I am going to prepare myself now to go to a beauty event that's happening in Paris, and I am going to take you guys along with me. So I actually had some choices this morning for the look. Let me just turn this down. I'm watching Karen Britchick. Just catching up on her video for today. Yeah, so the look for today is going to be this football jersey with a pull, a long sleeve mock shirt under it with my barrel jeans. You guys are gonna see the finished look when I'm finished. And yeah, so that's it for what's the plan for this evening. Tomorrow I don't have anything to do really, but I'm going to go into Paris to go to a black owned beauty shop. It's a black owned cosmetic brand. It's called the AMS Beauty. So a lot of beauty things that I'm going to be doing this weekend. And on Sunday I'm going to a fashion event Sunday afternoon, and of course you guys are going to come with me. So yeah, so that's the plan for this weekend. So I'm gonna vlog everything so you guys can come along with me and see everything that's going to be happening. So as I said, it's now 5 o'clock. I'm gonna start to prepare myself. I'm gonna do my makeup. I'm not gonna film doing my makeup because someone is here, they're making some noise, and I don't think it's, you know, appropriate for me to go and disturb people. So I will just go and do my makeup, get myself prepared, and then I will share with you guys what the finished look looks like. Hey guys, so this is the almost finished look for the evening. I am going to take with me my little Farisia barrel purse, and for just a look, I am going to wear this as it goes with my little purse. The look for the evening. You guys know you don't have to be always coordinated. My frames, my brown frames go with my purse, but I'm wearing these barrel jeans from Spanx and this gifted football jersey from my boo. And you know, it's winter, everything is cold outside, so I'm wearing these long sleeve jerseys. So that's it. I will, like I said, I'm taking you guys along with me, and the long sleeve jersey underneath is from another gift. The jeans are from Spanx, and my boots are thrifted from this boutique. And of course, you know, the cute little girl barrel purse is from Frisia. Hey guys, we're going to this beauty event this evening, and we've just arrived. I'm gonna turn you around so you can see where we're going. AfroCaribe Market today. It's right across the road from where we are, so we're gonna walk over really quickly. Toot, 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 toot. The 30th of November, and we're going to another fashion show event in Paris. This month had quite a bit of fashion shows and pop-up shops and little markets that I'm sharing with you guys in this 1 month vlog. I'm going to share with you guys all the fun things that I've been doing here in Paris this month. And I think I'm going to start doing it on a monthly basis, so you guys can see all of the gallivanting that I've been up to. Today you're going to see the look. I'm going to share the look, but I have a nice clean makeup with Juvia's Place makeup and AMS Beauty lips. This is chocolate. I absolutely just love it. I got it last week and it is absolutely gorgeous. It did a nice little smoky eye, and I'm going to show you guys the look now. It is an actual summer dress, but it's winter, so we are wearing our clothes. And this is a t-shirt dress with my yellow tights from legs and my boots that I thrifted from EIS Boutique Solitaire. Let me make sure I get the name right. So that's the complete look for the day. And my necklace I got, which was gifted from Revolve during the Spring Summer 26 Fashion Week event back in September. And this is new. I just got this at a market that I went to yesterday from a local African jewelry designer, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. And my old cuff, I've had this for years. This was actually part of a carnival costume from back in Antigua. So yeah, this is the look for today. Oh, and of course, my always ever so wonderful Sybil G felt purse, and this is the complete look for the day. I know you guys have seen this bag very often, but she holds everything, so she goes everywhere. And of course she matches with my boots with the gold trim, so had to take her with me. I am going to take you guys along with me, of course, as usual. So I'll see you guys soon. A bientôt. Au revoir.
Tu sais pas qui je suis, un regard et tu peux raconter ma vie. Tu te trompes, je t'assure, écoute mon récit. Écoute l'histoire d'une fille du pays. On va reprendre, on va essayer de voir par rapport à la musique, s'il te plaît. Si tu peux mettre un peu plus de son au niveau de ma voix et d'instru, s'il te plaît. On est à la maison ici, hein. On se met à l'aise. Tu peux reprendre s'il te plaît, DJ? On fait un test avant, DJ test 1, 1, 1.